Hey guys, it's Foundations time, and today I've got Rocky with me to help you know when to respond and do the sound after I do it. All right, let's get a quick warm-up going on. We're going to go right to the digraphs and glute sounds. W-H, w. C-H, chin. C-H, chin, ch. S-H, sh. T-H, C-K, k. A-N-G, ang. I-N-G, ing. O-N-G, ong. U-N-G, ung. A-N-K, ink. I-N-K, ink. O-N-K, honk. U-N-K, unk. And let's sing our vowels. Today, let's do it in the lowest voice you can do it. A, apple, a. E, ed, a. I, itch, I. O, octopus, a. U, up, Awesome. All right, yesterday we talked about syllables. Remember, syllables are the small parts in words that have a vowel sound. And we learned about two syllable types. A closed-in syllable and a vowel consonant E. And today, we're going to be working a lot on vowel consonant E. And I have a very new sound to teach you. It is on this vowel sound poster, and it's all about the letter A. So we know short A says a, like an apple, but now A has another picture card. And this is a safe. A safe is a place that people keep money or passports or special jewelry that they don't want anyone to get into. They lock it up and have a key. It's a safe. And inside that word safe, the A doesn't say a, it says A. So our keyword is now going to go like this for A. A, apple, A, safe, A. Okay? So let's take a look at some more words that are like safe and have the long A sound. Okay, take a look at these three words. What does everyone see for the syllable type? Look closely. That's right. I find the vowel first. I see a vowel, then I see a consonant, and then I see an E. So these are all vowel consonant E. That means the A is going to make the long sound. So when this happens, we'll have a special way to mark it that I'm going to show you in a minute. So now let's just focus on trying to read these together. To kind of help you remember that we don't say the E sound, every time we get to the word, I'm going to drag this over. So I want you to either tap these out. You know what? Let's tap the first row together. Then we'll do the next row and slowly take away the tapping and try to do it in our heads. But this is brand new for a lot of you. So here we go. My eyes have to look ahead and see that E is there so that when I tap, I know it's a long A. Aid, made. Good, I'm looking ahead. I'm seeing the E will not make a sound. So, ale, male. Aim, name. Let's slide my paper down. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and put these little lines to cross off the E. And now this time, I want everyone to kind of try to tap them in your heads and then just say the whole word. Fade. Stale. Game. Awesome job. Now this time I'm not going to put those E's up. And let's see how we can do reading them in our heads and then out loud. Wade. Wave. Cage. And right now I am stretching out that A and making it really long so that I know I have it right. Okay, let's do it again. I see a couple of consonant blends in here. Blade. Brave. Rage. Awesome, let's try some more. Face. Save. Main. Great reading. Now it's time for us to practice writing some of these words and marking them the right way. So go get your paper, your magnet boards, your crayons, whatever you're going to use, and get ready for dictation. Okay? Great. Here is my first word, gate. Like, please close the gate. Let's tap it. G-A-T. Pause it here and write it. G-A-T. Okay. Now let's scoop the syllable type and let's double check it. It's A, so it's a vowel, consonant E. So we will write V-E. Vowel, consonant E. And then we cross off that E because we don't hear it. It's silent. And we put a line over the A. That line is called a macron. And that means that the A says its long sound or says its name. Just to review, when we did a short vowel sound on a closed syllable, we would mark it like this. Scoop the syllable, look at the vowel and say, yep, it's closed in and there's no E after it, so it's C for closed, and that means the vowel is short, so we put a breve, ah. A, ah. Great. Okay, listen for this next word. Repeat after me. Wave. Wave. Pause this if you don't want a spoiler. Let's start down here. A. Am I done? Let me tap it and check. Wav. It says wab. Oh yeah, I have to put the E there to make the A a long sound. Great, now let's mark it. Scoop the syllable. I know it's vowel, consonant, E. I can't hear the E, so I'll cross it off. And it's a long A. Great job. Let's try one more. Repeat after me. Take. Tap it. Ache. Okay, let's try it. Ache. Ha. Well, usually when k is at the end of a word, it's CK. So I'm going to do that. That says t'ack. Wait a second. If I wanted to say A, there needs to be an E at the end. But now the CK is not at the end. The E is at the end. Oh, man. Okay, I think I need to get out my eraser. I don't think it can be CK. It must be just a K. And I know that because usually when the K sound is coming after an A, it's a K, not a C. If it was a C, the C would probably have its soft sound, like an ace. Okay, take. I need that E at the end. That looks like take because it rhymes with make and bake, and I know how those words look, so I know how take looks. All right, time to mark it. And why do we mark words? It helps us check it and pay attention to the features of the word that make it look right and sound right. It's a vowel, consonant E. The E is silent, and we'll put the macron right above for the long A. Great job. Let's do a few review words now. Our next word is shell. Let's tap it. Sh, e, o. And I made a mistake. Look, when I tapped that, I did 2 fingers for O because I was picturing my bonus letters, but we only tapped the sounds, so watch again. Sh, e, o. It's just one sound there, 1 finger. Okay, pause to build your shell. Write your shell while I do mine. Sh, sh, sh. That sounds like ship, so it's sh, eh. That sounds like a short vowel. Oh, and then I know I need a bonus L because it comes after. All right, that looks to me like it's definitely a closed-in vowel. So I'm going to put my breve above it because it's a short E, shell. Great job.
Okay, we have one more dictation today, and it is a dictation sentence. Don't mind that, that was just my laundry going off. Okay, repeat after me. I can bake a big red cake. One more time. I can bake a big red cake. Okay, so I know you don't have sentence frames at home unless you made some by cutting out paper. So I thought today I would just underline the words like you could do at home on a piece of paper to help you. I can bake a big red cake. I'm going to put an exclamation point because I'm excited about my big red cake. Okay, and now let's circle the ones that are trick words. I is a trick word. Can, you can tap out. I hear a glued sound. Bake, bake. Ooh, that's a new one that we learned, vowel, consonant, E. A is a trick word. Big, you can tap out. Red, you can tap out. And cake, you can tap that out. It's a new vowel, consonant, E. Go ahead, pause here, and write your sentence. Okay, my friends, time to check. Did you start with an uppercase and end with a lowercase? Let's see, I did that, I did that. Did I just say end with a lowercase? And end with punctuation? Woo! Okay, check your trick words. Great. Now let's tap out the words that we can make sure are spelled right. An, b-a-k, b-ig, ed, k-ake. Awesome. And now let's scoop it and read it smoothly. I can bake a big red cake. I can bake a big red cake. Great. Keep practicing making that smoothly. And speaking of which, we're going to practice reading some sentences with more vowel, consonant E and long A. So let's look at this first sentence here. Okay, what do you notice? We have a trick word. What do you notice about this syllable? Closed, this one. Closed, this one. Closed, so all those vowels are short. What about this one? Vowel, consonant, E, so it's long. That vowel will say its name. Read it with me. The med fad will fade. The med fad will fade. Let's look at the next one. Does anybody see any vowel, consonant, E there? No, I don't. How many closed syllables do you see? 1, cat, 2, sat, and 3, red. And then look at that. We see those 2 vowels again. We'll be learning that later. That word says pal. Let's read the whole sentence. The cat sat on the red pal. The cat sat on the red pal. Remember, keep reading them until they're smooth. And our last one for today. I see 2 closed syllables and 1 vowel, consonant, E. Matt made a pen. Matt made a pen. Matt made a pen. Great. Pause these and practice them as much as you can. And remember, long A says A. A, safe A. All right, have a great day, guys.